Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lirisha and today I would like to share with you my experience of my first job in Dubai. I would like to tell you how I landed this job in Dubai and how was my experience working here. I came to Dubai 8 years back and I had very high hopes regarding the job market here and the lifestyle because Dubai is all about the bling and all about the nice things. So when I came to Dubai, I was pursuing my chartered accountancy course, and back in India, I was working as an articled assistant. So we have to complete the articleship of 3 years before we get the CA degree. So when I came to Dubai, I immediately started applying on Gulf Talent and Naukri Gulf and these websites. So LinkedIn was not very famous, I can say, a few years back. I got a few calls for the initial telephonic interviews, and then I also attended an interview, but the company looked a bit shady and I didn't want to continue there. And I got a few calls, but the salaries were really low. They were offering somewhere around 3,500 with 6 days a week. But that was not something that I was willing to accept. So days went by, I was applying for jobs, and then I got a call through reference in a consulting firm in Dubai. So this is a mid-sized firm, very well known in Dubai. And I got a call for an interview. The interview happened, and then I was selected. So I had no intention of joining a consultancy firm, but this company, the way the interview process took place and everything, it really appealed to me, and I wanted to continue here. So I thought, let me just give a few more years of my hard work working as an auditor in Dubai. I had to debate a lot with myself as to whether I would be looking forward for this job or whether I'll be able to manage the work life pressure, the late night sittings. Will I be able to do it? Will I be able to carry my laptop and roam around the city to clients' places? So then finally I decided that it would be better for me if I join an audit firm because I'll be able to gain a lot of knowledge about the industry and it would help me in my career. To those who might not be familiar, auditing involves reviewing of financial statements and ensuring their compliance with regulations. So you'll have to review the books of accounts of our clients, prepare financial statements for them, and see that they're complying with the local UAE laws and regulations. So I was excited for this job. I had to go back to India to get my visa issued, and I came back from India after a few days. So when I joined in this company, I was hired as a junior auditor. So in Dubai, I was engaged in the audit of many industries, engaged in different activities. So that was a lot of exposure that I got here. Back in India too, I had exposure, but mostly we were only doing audit sitting in the office and we didn't have to visit client places. The experience in India was great too, but the exposure you get in Dubai is really something else. I would like to quickly talk about the pros and cons about working as an auditor in Dubai. So the best thing about working in an audit firm in Dubai would be the career growth. So when you work in an audit firm, you get the knowledge of the business from start to end. When you review the financial statements of the company, when you review the books, you get to know a lot about the company. You get to know about the business, how the business dynamic is, and how the growth happens in companies, how their strategies are, and all these things. So this adds a lot of value to your career growth. And if you plan to open up a business later, I think this would really help you. Even if you want to move into the industry, your background in audit helps a lot because you have knowledge in all aspects of the business. So this was a big plus point. So I have a lot of colleagues who worked with me in my audit firm, and right now they are doing excellent in their career. Some of them have opened their own businesses, some of them are working in industries, and they are just growing. So that's a very nice thing to see. So the second benefit has to be the cultural experience. When you go to your client place, you meet people of various nationalities with multicultural backgrounds. So this is something that was very interesting and fascinating to me. I really liked meeting new people, and it has helped me in my communication as well. One more thing I'm thankful about joining an audit firm is that I made some really good friends, and they're really special to me. You also have to learn the new rules and regulations when you're working in a consulting firm, but this is an added advantage of your job. I cannot say that this is a challenge. This is something that adds to your career and to your knowledge. So this is a good thing. Now, talking about the cons of working in an audit firm, it has to be regarding the work-life balance. When you join a consulting firm or an audit firm, it is implied that you don't have a work-life balance. It's very, very difficult to maintain your schedule when you're working as an auditor in an audit firm. To be honest, the period from Jan to June is really difficult, especially the month of February, where you have no time for yourself. All you do is work, work, work. You have a lot of clients balance sheets to work on, you have to go to client places, you have to travel from one place to another with a laptop in your hand, and it is tiring. Since we have deadlines, you will have to work late night, and this will continue for a few months. So I was a bachelor that time, and then I had to come back home and do all my housework and also cook for myself and get fresh, and just you had maybe like 30 minutes a day for yourself before you go to sleep, and then the next morning it's the same routine. I always used to feel that if I have worked in an audit firm, I can work anywhere, because the work that we do in a consulting firm is a very challenging task. Then we have the difficult clients. So there were instances where I have dealt with very difficult clients who keep changing their balance sheets, or who talk to you in a very rude manner, I can say. And then this takes a toll on your mental health. Sometimes first of all, you're working the entire day, you're working day and night, and then there are these difficult clients who want you to do everything, or who nitpick everything that you do. But then what you require is a supportive manager. I, by God's grace, had a very supportive manager at my audit firm, and I'm thankful. He supported me a lot. If you have a difficult manager and a difficult client, then I'm sorry, your life becomes very difficult working in an audit firm. One more difficulty that I faced in an audit firm is that everybody is busy with their own work. So you don't have that proper handover of a job, or a proper training to be done by our seniors, because everyone is busy with their files. Nobody has the time to teach you properly. You have to learn by yourself. So when I was working there are so many things that I had to learn from the root. So that was a great learning experience. But when you're new in Dubai, when you're new to a job, all this, it can be overwhelming. So you have to be ready to face all this. Even though these, I cannot say are really cons, because this was my first job in Dubai, and I am really thankful that this audit firm accepted me without any prior experience. Yes, I had an articleship experience back in India, but as I said, the exposure between the two jobs was too different. So when I joined this company, they gave me the opportunity to learn and to grow. So I'm really thankful to be working in an audit firm. Now, coming about the salaries, if you are not a qualified chartered accountant, the salaries for a chartered accountant can range somewhere between 4,000 to 7,000 dirhams. And if you are qualified, they have these different brackets of salaries depending on your position and your experience in an audit firm. I worked for a good 4 years in an audit firm, and then I moved to the industry. And my experience really counted when I joined the industry. So that's all about my first job in Dubai and my experience as an auditor in Dubai. I hope you found this insightful. If you have any questions about working in Dubai, or if you want to know something more about my experience which I have missed to share, do let me know in the comments. Please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.